Wow!
This is what this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arundhati and I am back here with another pretty interesting video. As promised, I am trying to maintain consistency this time. So I'm hoping that you guys will love me as much as you do and shower more and more support to me. Moving ahead, as you can see the title of this video and you already know that this is going to be a jewelry haul. So recently, Instagram में a lot of brands approached me for some jewelry collaborations and from them I managed to understand that there are a lot of small businesses who are doing anti-tarnish jewelry, aesthetic jewelry, Pinterest jewelry, statement jewelries and hence मुझे पता चला कि ये सब jewelry brands भी exist करता है जहाँ पे products के cost कम है but the quality is very good. So I thought if I have so many jewelry together, why not to make a jewelry haul, right? If a guy is watching this video, trust me, you can use this as a gift purpose ideas for your girlfriend, sister, or maybe your crush. So you can give this small businesses a try and I'm pretty sure your crush, girlfriend or sister, anybody will be highly impressed by you. Anyway, moving forward, so the first brand is Evara and from them I got this cute little ear studs. These are very pretty. मुझे नहीं पता आप लोगों को दिख रहा है कि नहीं बट these are two hearts और इसके अंदर ये ग्रीन कलर के स्टोन्स है. इट्स वेरी प्रिटी, वेरी वर्सेटाइल. आपके किसी भी एथनिक या वेस्टर्न कलेक्शन में दिस विल गो वेरी गुड. आई विल अटैच सम प्रोडक्ट शॉट्स ऑल्सो यहाँ पे या यहाँ पे देनी ताकि आप लोगों को एक क्लियर इमेज आए कि ये कैसा दिखता है. एंड विद दैट आई हैव दिस वेरी ब्यूटिफुल एंड chic नेक पीस. मुझे ऐसे सिंपलिस्टिक टाइप ऑफ ज्वेलरी ना बहुत पसंद है यार. इतना प्रिटी है ना, खुद देखो ये बहुत सिंपल है, बहुत तामझाम कुछ नहीं है. एंड इफ यू आर अ गर्ल जिसको बहुत ज़्यादा वो यू नो लाइक टाप छाप काइंड ऑफ ज्वेलरी यू डोंट लाइक एंड यू आर अ सिंपलिस्टिक गर्ल, then this can be your catch. This is very Pinteresty and looks very premium. ये बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसा लग्जरिकल ब्रांड से बिलोंग करता है ऐसा लगता है. And it will again go very good with your ethnic, with your western, casuals, formals, anything. It's very nice. ये उस टाइप का कुछ pieces होता है ना जो आप if you just wear just one piece and it will work as a statement jewelry. This is something like that. Moving forward, I have this fingered ring. This is also very classy. It has an infinity sign, I believe. I'm not so sure though, but again, it's a very simplistic design, so it will go with any kind of look. Moving ahead, I have another brand which is UB Bella Fashion Jewelry. This is how their packaging looks like. Very normal, nothing so fancy, but the product was really good. So this is the earring जो उन्होंने मुझे भेजा था and this is again very pretty, very statement jewelry. This is screaming statement jewelry literally. आप कुछ ना पहनो, सिर्फ ये ईयरिंग पहन लो अपने एथनिक के साथ एंड पीपल इज गोइंग टू वॉच यू लेफ्ट राइट सेंटर गर्ल. सीरियसली आपके किसी भी एथनिक सूट, ड्रेस या साड़ी के साथ ना या लहंगा के साथ दिस विल गो अमेजिंग. ये बहुत यूनिक डिज़ाइन है, मैंने ऐसा डिज़ाइन देखा नहीं था पहले, सो इट इज़ वेरी यूनिक एंड इट विल स्क्रीम कॉशियस. ओ वन थिंग आई नीड टू मेंशन, each and every jewelry जो भी मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ, everything is anti tarnish, which means के पानी में गिरने से भी इसका रंग नहीं छूटेगा. It is as it is, तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. If you really want to deserve it in a good way, then I will suggest के ziploc bag आता है मार्केट में something like this. तो ऐसे टाइप का ziploc bags आपको मीशो या Amazon में मिल जाएगा in order to preserve your jewelry. Even if they don't need this, if you are somebody who like to take extra precaution, then you can definitely go for this set of Ziploc. इसके अंदर आप इसे डाल दो और ये हमेशा के लिए sorted है. So the last brand which is very close to my heart because इनका collection मुझे chef's kiss लगा है literally. This is from PC Jewels. इनका main box मैं खो चुकी हूँ. I'm very sorry about that. But they have sent me a bunch of jewelries. So let me show it to you one by one. It's a bracelet. इसके अंदर ये stones का काम किया हुआ है. It's इसलिए this will be more like classy kind of, and just because this has this kind of stone, so this is versatile. You can wear it with ethnic, you can wear it with casuals, formals, anything. और ये बहुत अच्छा जाएगा भी I'll just show you. See, it looks very posh and दूर से देख के कोई आपको the person will judge कि oh this girl is very like rich or something, this is getting rich white, something like that. But seriously ये उतना महंगा नहीं है, but the finishing is very good. Product is very good. Seriously. Moving ahead, I also have 2 pieces of statement jewelry from them, which I believe will go more with ethnic. But if you are a fashionista, then you can definitely pair in with casuals as well and make your casual pop like that. These are anti-tarnish. तो उसका दम छूटने का डर तो है ही नहीं literally. And this design is very unique. I think market में मैंने इस तरह के डिजाइन को देखे हैं, but this kind of designs, whatever I'm showing you today, each and every piece is very unique. खास करके ये मैंने ऐसा टाइप का डिजाइन देखा नहीं है. Moving ahead, I have this too as well. Again, these are also anti-tarnish, and this is a very unique design. Again, it's like some kind of rocks or something, pebble kind of design, and ऊपर ये normal सा है. This will go good with either ethnic or western. Now I'm left with 2 more jewelry pieces, and both are leg pieces. First one is this one, and don't mind seeing कि मैंने इसे सेफ्टी पिन के साथ बांध के रखा है because it gets that big. मुझे ये ओपन करने में जान निकल गया. हाँ, तो ये टैंगल बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है, इसलिए ताकि ये टैंगल ना हो, I in this mini hack. This is how the piece looks like. Can you see? I absolutely love this. This is so versatile. You can make it go with your ethnic, with your western, with your beach wear, with your casuals. ये किसी भी outfit को एक classy look दे देगा the moment you wear this. And it again got tangled. It has little charms in it. एक snail का charm है, एक fish का charm है. This is star, I guess. Yeah. And show it to you guys properly. So this is star one. Then there is this tortoise charm. Then seashells. ऐसे seashells 2 है. So yeah, this is how it looks. It is very gorgeous, and you can see कि कितना pretty लग रहा है. ये किसी भी outfit को ना ऐसे फटाक से मैचेबल बना देगा. Seriously. So the last piece from this collection is this one. It's a very simple chain, guys. It's a very simple neck piece. If you are a girl like me और आपको इतना तामझाम वाले ज्वेलरीज नहीं पसंद है, सिंपल सा एक ज्वेलरी पहन लो, आपको काफी है, then आप definitely इसके बारे में सोच सकते हो. I will show you closely how it looks. It's basically a bow. Can you see? I hope you can see. Yeah, it's basically a bow. I will annex some product shots below the graded in order to show you. So again, this is a very simple cake, a very simple jewelry piece, which will go very good with casuals. I will not say कि ये ethnic के साथ उतना खास लगेगा. This is not much versatile. This will only go good with casuals or western outfits or something like that. Ethnic के लिए the other choices were poor. So yeah, with that thought, I end this video. I hope you have thoroughly enjoyed this video. This video was little too small, but it was basically a plain simple jewelry haul in order to support the small businesses. So if you are someone who is like me and who wants to support small business rather than going to big brands, then you can definitely check out this websites. Website के link and everything will be mentioned in the description box. Still आपको अगर product link चाहिए या कुछ भी ऐसा कोई query है या something like this or you need more videos like this, then comment box में लिखना मत भूलना. मैं comment के लिए इंतजार करती हूँ, कोई reply आपको जरूर मिलेगा. So yeah, with that word, I end this video. I hope to see you super soon again. Until then, stay healthy, stay happy, and please do subscribe. That's illegal that you are not subscribing. Okay, bye, take care, love you.